Hi guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna and I'm really excited for today's recipe. We are going to be making a really exciting dish. We're going to be making curry chicken with some carrots and some potatoes. Now, I know that there are different variations of making curry chicken, like making curry with milk, with coconut milk, or using like green or red curry. But today's recipe is more of a traditional Caribbean style curry using yellow curry powder. And I'm really excited to show you guys how I make curry chicken. So follow along. And before we go any further, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the videos so I can keep more content coming your way. The first thing you should do when making curry is to wash your meat several times. So boil some water on the side, take a lime or a couple of limes and rub down your chicken and rinse your chicken with that boiling hot water a couple of times prior to seasoning the meat. Typically when making curry, you want to season your meat at least 24 hours ahead of time, but we don't always have that kind of time. So at least 3 to 4 hours, you should definitely season your meat and let it sit in seasoning before cooking it. There are several different ways to make curry chicken. In this recipe, I'm actually going to add tomato paste. A lot of times people don't, but I find that the tomato paste gives the curry really heightened sense of taste and it's really flavorful and it makes the sauce that much richer. And also because I am utilizing tomato paste, I am going to add a little bit of sugar to my gravy for the chicken to balance out the tomato paste and the curry. It's going to give it like not really a sweet flavor, it's just really going to balance out the tomato paste. Whenever I cook with tomato paste or tomato sauce, it's really acidic, so I like to add a tiny bit of sugar just to balance everything out. I'm telling you guys all of my secrets, and also because I'll be using carrots and a lot of onions. And those things also have natural sugars. So that's really gonna help balance out the gravy or the sauce. Make sure your meat is almost cooked by the time you add your carrots and your potatoes. And once you add the potatoes, you'll notice that the gravy will become a little bit thicker because the starch in the potatoes will be released and your gravy will become a little bit thicker. So make sure your chicken is almost cooked prior to adding the carrots and potatoes, because if you overcook them, they will get crushed into your gravy and you don't want that. Once you add the onions to the curry chicken, essentially the meat is done, everything is done, you should be getting ready to eat. Leave the pot covered for about 5 to 10 minutes and that steam will cook the onions. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. And that is how I prepare my curry chicken. When I tell you guys everything came out absolutely perfect, I served this curry chicken with some coconut rice. And of course I had to make dessert. I made chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, everything came out so good. I will include the recipe for the chocolate chip cookies in case you guys want to try it because it's so worth it. I also paired green beans with the meal. I added some green beans, some steamed green beans, and they were steamed, slightly crunchy, not overly cooked. and everything really came out super delicious, complemented each other. And I hope that you guys recreate this recipe. I hope you guys love this recipe, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments, and I will do my best to respond. And don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time, guys, bye.